Okay, okay. I'll let you know.
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
How is
so
whole
we are
Discord going,
live.
bro? Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay,
How
so
is whole
we are
Discord going,
live.
bro?
It's
Yeah, yeah,
it's
yeah,
doing
yeah.
great.
And also,
So
like, whole
we are
Discord.
wait, wait. Yeah.
I
Hey
just
guys,
posted
so
right.
let me know if you guys can hear us. Uh,
I just
finally,
posted right.
let me know if you guys. Let me do a Discord text as well. Guys, so let us know if we are clear.
Yeah, great, great. Why didn't you get yourself a second screen, bro? Like I
Uh,
was.
I have a second screen right now. It's just that I have to
Okay,
set it
okay.
up.
Right.
Okay. So we got people with us. But thing is that can you guys tell us that we both are clear and loud? My voice and Matrix's voice, so we can actually begin our thing.
Yeah, we'll go. We'll kick start the stream and let's see. And also have a profit. Matrix turned on the cam and twerk. This motherfucker Gokula. Sorry for using curse words. It's
He
literally
and
like
Mike,
locked.
they're both just they're so crazy. Alright,
Yeah,
so thanks to everyone for joining this stream. And
yeah,
in this stream, I'll just uh, tell you what we are going to do. So we are having a market outlook for what we are anticipating next week. And I am going to go over since Matrix just trade futures, so it's just going to be him out, giving an outlook on the futures. But for me, since I trade multiple pairs, I will go over all the pairs and see which one of them are clear, and like so that I can trade it the next week. Also, if you don't know Matrix, he is one of the most consistent trader that I have ever seen, and I know him from quite some while. And he's
thank
amazing
you,
with
thank you.
his precision with his trades. I look into it and I'm like, what the hell is even this? He's so crazy, and I'm not even bluffing right now. He really is insane. Um,
Thank you. I'm really
so
glad for all those words.
you're
But I'm
welcome.
not
You
that
deserve it.
good. I'm still learning. I'm still in the learning phase. I'm trying to be better every day. And that is what every trader who is coming into the market should like have in their minds. And this is just the
Exactly.
game of learning.
Exactly. Like, those who are overtaken by their ego can never learn. So you
Yeah.
always want to be humble and learn from your mistakes and learn from your mistakes and take it positively. Like just don't let it hurt your ego or something. So you are always going to be a student of the market. It's going to teach you something new. And so if you have
Very
that
true.
approach of looking into it that way, you're going to learn a lot and you are going to become successful one day.
Right.
Humble twerker. So, bro,
Hey, Gokul, shut the fuck up, bro.
like I think you should someday maybe do a twerk. Like it will.
Like we'll ask Gokul to like twerk. Like he is a very close friend of mine. We connected through Twitter only. We came to like talk daily, and we used to do VCs daily, and he became very close to us. Like he is also from Tamil Nadu only.
Oh, great. That is
Forex is haram,
amazing.
bro.
Everything's
With
haram.
all, yeah, with all that is going with the problems right now, it's the futures are safe, I guess. It's a safer instrument, I
Man,
guess.
I don't give a fuck. Like these guys are
Mm,
crazy. All right, so
yeah,
Matrix, I think like I
yeah,
mean, I don't give a shit about this haram or
problems.
whatnot thing. It's just crazy. It
Mm,
doesn't make sense to
right.
me. All right, so I think you should share your screen and begin with
Yeah,
your like do it on the Discord. I'll actually show it on the
yeah,
stream.
sure, sure, sure. I guess then I wouldn't have come. Okay, yeah. People are going to complain, bro, right now. And they're going to complain about the resolution, I feel.
All right, so you are actually live now.
Yeah, great. So I'll just go over DXY first of all. And I did the same yesterday if you haven't seen my stream. Yes, we are inside, like the month is closed and still we are inside the range of previous month.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. I'll put these bold so that it will be visible clean. And yeah, we are rejecting off of. Let me put on this magnet. So if you talk about DXY, we are still inside the range of previous month, and this month was tough actually. I would say in terms of forex, but futures it was good. I would say DXY was moving like the way it shouldn't have moved, and in weekly, if you go, we have this clear inversion right now, and DXY is reacting off of this weekly order block. Price has inverse this inversion FEG, and we have also taken previous week's high and also lows, but I am leaning towards a bearish bias right here. So my draw is that I am looking for DXY to go lower, and why lower, we'll go into daily and see what's happening right over there. Here, this feel is a clean turtle soup to the lows, and also if you see, we have taken this ice as well, which will make this order block like a higher probability, and we can see like literally price closing below the previous day's low. It is a sign that we are likely go lower, and also we have this low resistance liquidity run right here, and this will be a low hanging fruit target objective. And also we have this order block, which is literally a CAST change in the state of delivery. And we should also have news in consideration. Next week is the first week of the month, and we are having NFP like in the Friday. We might have lesser volatility towards like going into Monday and Tuesday, and we can expect real moves towards the downside going forward and in the later part of the weekend. So this is for me, and I'm looking for bearish prices in DXY. And bro, you're looking for the same or your bias is like contra indicator?
It's absolutely the same.
Okay, great, great, great. That's great. And we'll just go over to ES and NQ. And so if you are coming into futures, then my expertise is with NQ only. I started with ES and later ICT switched on to, sorry, I started with ES, yes, and ICT later switched on towards like NQ. I don't know why, but he switched on to NQ, and that time I thought, okay, I'll also switch to NQ because the mentor is trading the market, and I thought, okay, I would also trade the same market. And it's like literally evident I'll go to higher time frame and I'll give a top down approach. So basically, we were like going higher. Index prices would like literally go higher. It's like the norm of index futures. We are going to see bullish prices only with some sort of corrections, very rarely. But it's a market which is going to go like higher most of the times. We had a nice expansion and we had the previous day, like previous month was like a down close month, and prices traded above it, indicating that we are going to go highest literally, and making this as an order block. If you could see, we ran into this monthly FEG, and Wix does the damage and bodies tell the story. You can see price came lower into this FEG. This candle is high and this candle is low, making it as a monthly FEG. Price came lower, and then like you can see how these bodies respected this FEG. Price came lower. We like opened gap down in next month, and you can see the little reaction of price trying to go higher. And if we go to day like weekly, price has completely rebalanced this FEG. And if you go to daily, we have a clear SMT with ES here. And so if I wanted to show this thing, I'll have ES right here. And yeah, I marked this and I did uh, weekly outlook for my stream. And yes, we do have this SMT, clean SMT at the lows. And we are also bullish. If you would look at the CCRLs also, we are having a bullish week for ES and NQ, that is the index futures. So yeah, this is like I'm not trying to complicate anything. This is just simple basics, and this is going to help you in your long run. Price has retraced below, making an SMT at the lows, and we are usually going to go higher in index futures, and seasonals also indicating bullish prices. We are bearish in DXY, and like literally everything is aligning for index prices to go higher. And yeah, this is my bias for like going into this week. I'll engage in short term trades only, not even short term trades. I'll be scalping only when price is going higher. With like, I'll be favoring more long shots than the short term trades, like short term day trades. This is what I'm looking at. Sorry for the English, like I'm not a native speaker, and yeah, I'm still learning. Uh, this is the bias I'm having, and ES price has literally closed just above the inversion, and I'm expecting price to take support right here and go fly in Monday and Tuesday itself, because we made lows on Friday against the order flow. Like against the order flow, we have made the lows on Friday, and yeah, this is the bias for me going into next week with ES and NQ. YM I like don't usually look at it. So if you want me to look at NY, I'll just go. So sorry for the annotations. And the price has made like some deep retracement to prices reacting off of these order blocks. Price has made this fair value gap and inversion. So price has inverse this fair value gap, and I'm expecting price to like support at this inverse fair value gaps and go higher. And we have this clean IRL to target. This is what I'm looking at right now. Nothing crazy, nothing like complicating, simple.
Okay, great. I actually agree with you on all of these. My bias for DXY is bearish. My bias for the index markets is bullish, and I expect it
Mm.
to go to the all-time high again, and DXY
Right, right,
to
right.
go lower.
Making new all-time highs.
Yeah.
Right,
So
great,
is that all you
perfect.
have?
Yeah, I guess. So if you want, like someone asks a doubt, I'm like so much happy to clear all those doubts.
Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, you can ask him and here's an answer, and then I'll get into my
Yeah.
charts and show what I am looking for, etc., etc.
Yeah.
So we
So bro,
Mike
can you
and
like
Gokul has
quickly go
joined.
through your uh,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. Hello Mick. Hello Mick. How are you? Like these like little kids, bro. They like contaminated my whole Discord.
Uh, guys, any questions?
Anything
You
else,
can ask
guys?
him.
If there is, yeah, if there is like any doubts, I can clear it right now. My fans everywhere. Okay, okay.
Only
I'm not going to talk
fans.
about it.
Yeah, guess no one have any questions, so I think you
Yeah,
just explained it way too perfectly.
yeah. Just my bias and thoughts of going like IFS
Yeah,
was not nothing serious. So
all
I'll be
right. So
happy to answer if you have anything, or else we'll just go towards your analysis for the forex pairs.
yeah, sure. Okay, so let me just open up my screen now.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so hopefully you all can see my screen now. I'll start with DXY as well, and let me give you what I'm thinking about. Okay, so basically
I'll be
we
there
are
quickly, okay, bro. I'm getting a call. I'll be there very quick.
sure, sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so basically it is range bound. This is the weekly chart, and we can see how price is reacting from the range highs and the range lows. And you can see here once again, and now here once again at the top. We rejected from that high and came down lower. Now created an order block, showed reaction from there, and now I expect it to run lower to this low right here. Then I'll see what the order flow looks like. But in my opinion, for the long term, price is going lower. Now I can be wrong on this one, but we'll see. It depends how the order flow rolls out. So if we continue with the bearish order flow, I'm just gonna keep on targeting lows, right? And if we just reverse from here, show some crazy reaction from this low, then I will look to target the highs, right? So this is how the weekly chart looks like. Now, if I go into the lower time frame, and by the way, this is the line I drew, I think 2 days ago. So look into this, and we can clearly see that price is in a bearish order flow. Like, look at this, price is retracing higher and actually actually expanding lower, right? It is taking highs, expansion lower, taking highs, expansion lower. And we can see the general direction of the market is just lower, right? So we just trade with the order flow. We don't try to catch reversals and whatnot. That's how trading should be. Just play with the trend and just don't try to be so smart and trade against it, or else you are most likely gonna end up losing, right? So this is the order flow. This is exactly why I'm expecting DXY to run these lows. And I've been pinpoint with it. Like last week was, I believe, the cleanest week this year, to be honest, on DXY. Same thing goes for EU as well. So I'll go into EU, yeah, and look at how perfectly these magic lines are working, whatever. So let me get here. Remove these. So price takes out a low. I think this was a fair value gap as well. Yes, this is a fair value gap. Also, with that, we have an SMT right here with GU. Look into this right here, SMT with EU. GU has an SMT with EU. So this is also a confirmation that price is gonna go higher. Okay, now back into this chart right now. For our chart right here, price takes out this low, right? Goes up into the fair value gap, goes back up again, now back at this order block, and now I expect it to go higher from this order block. Now, since next week it's NFP, so most likely price is gonna just consolidate right here till Thursday or Friday. NFP is on Friday. So till Friday, we can like expect low probable trading and a range bound kind of trading. And then if we are bullish, which I think we are, price is gonna like manipulate at the news and then expand higher towards the highs. So this is my bias. on the major pairs with the EU and the DXY, and same thing goes for GU as well. It's correlated pairs, so it is gonna do the same. Uh, yeah. So this was my bias on the majors. Now let me look into the chat. Why you use that high? Which high, bro? Like, can you let me know which one? Also, with that, I'm going to go over all the other pairs as well and see if there is a cleaner pair to look at, and then I'm gonna trade it the next week.
Hey, bro. I guess I didn't miss anything.
Now, I'll just explain EU and DXY and what I was
Okay,
thinking
okay.
about it. Yeah.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure.
Also, DXY floor chart, I think, let me go. So, which high can you like tell me with time, etc. till that? Let me go into the oil chart, and this is really, really clean.
Yeah, right, right. I also wanted to talk about CL, and also gold is also very clean. If you see,
Exactly
gold is
both.
also very clean.
Yeah, both are really,
Gold
really
and
clean.
right, I was like, I would
Yep,
also go through all the pairs during my weekly analysis as well. And this gold chart and crude is the hero for next week, I guess.
exactly. So oil,
Mm,
I was looking into it, and this is really, really clean. Let me share my thoughts
yes.
on it. Weekly chart, I shared it last week as well on the Outlook. So weekly fair value gap, price tap that, and now we have a lot of liquidity down here, right? So price is just gonna take out these lows now. Also, if I go into low time frame chart, it is all aligned. You can see how clean this is and how clearly the
Yeah.
order flow is bearish. So in the next week, in the beginning, maybe in the open, we can retrace higher, maybe take this high as well, and then we can like kind of see an expansion lower after that. But generally, the bias is to the downside, and I expect lower prices. I took a trade on it as well. Let me show you. It is really, really clean. So we can see that price is in a clear bearish order flow. Price took out these highs, right? And then if I go into the 1 minute chart, look into this right now. After taking out that short-term high on the M15, we can see price takes out and short-term high on the M1, expansion lower, right? Then a short-term high to the right side a bit. So that was created. I missed that, but after that, I saw another intermediate term high being formed right here. This, right? So this is an intermediate term high. This is exactly my model. I entered here and I had my stop loss right here and I targeted something like 2 hour. So this is such a clean trade, a really, really clean trade, and my A plus plus setup, like my model. This was my picture perfect model. So such a
Yeah,
clean
it's
trade.
clean.
Yeah, and I
Right.
looked for the same next week as well. So I'll wait for price to take out a short-term high, like let's say on the H1 chart. Like if price takes out this high, and then when I go
That
into the
would be the
M5,
intermediate. That's the
yep,
short term high.
exactly. So I'll go into the M5 chart and look for the same pattern, that M1 pattern that I just showed now. If that appears on the M5 there, I'm just gonna get into a short position, targeting these lows and these lows. Also, if I go into gold chart, it is also super clean, very, very clean. Let me
Right.
go here. This is like this line actually made it last week, and you see how perfect that is. Like,
Like I too had the same. I too had the same. It
yeah,
was a little bit late. I was expecting the shot on Monday itself, but we got the shot taking the slows on I guess Tuesday or Wednesday.
yeah. So Tuesday formed
Uh,
the high of the week
yeah, like
actually.
we got the shot like later. I was expecting the 4 hour FPG to hold like straight to the lows. I was expecting the as a low hanging fruit objective, but yeah, it panned out, but the time was not right. I guess.
Yeah, right. So still imagining, sorry, anticipating the same thing. Let me just remove them. So price is has taken out this low right now, right? Now we can maybe expect it to go into the IRL and then continue back down here, right? So this is very simple. Like I don't even have to explain it that much because it's really, really simple. Just price takes out a high, shows reaction. We can just simply expect it to run these lows now. And also it was at an all-time high, so I think it makes sense for it to start retracement before either reversing or going higher. But we trade with the order flow. Right now, I'm gonna expect something like this for the bigger picture. This is what I think on like these are like my major pairs that I'm going to look into. Like I'm really gonna monitor them: gold, oil, and EUDXY, because they're like really,
Ah,
really clean. Like it
clean.
has a very simple, clear objective, which is for oil and gold to the downside and for the euro to the upside. Also, we have literally the same story on AUD, USD, and NZD, USD. So I expect a run higher there as well. AUD, USD, you can see it looks good to the upside, a clear bullish order flow. So expecting it to go higher, expecting NZD to go higher as well. USD JPY, it's another cleaner pair. Okay, let me actually show you what I think is gonna happen. Uh, Let me first remove them.
Euro JBP is like shit, bro. We are expecting USG to go down, and this MF is going higher
Yeah, but
because of all this
yeah,
recession and everything.
it depends on the condition of JPY as well.
Right.
So if JPY is like really really weaker against
Very
dollar,
weak,
yeah,
so much weak.
exactly. So it's then gonna of course go lower. Okay, so this is price takes out the sh previous week's high, and now we can actually expect it to go into the previous week's low, right? If I go into the 4-hour chart, we can see we have a market structure shift. Now we price just quickly went back up. Now this is a little bit concerning for the bearish bias, but I'm only gonna be looking for shorts only if price takes these highs out and actually breaks lower. If that happens, that is when I'm gonna look for shorts. If not, price doesn't break this low, I'm not looking for any shorts. That is literally it. Because if we look into the weekly chart as well, price actually closed above the previous week's high. So even though it looks kind of great, but I'll still be mechanical and wait for everything to be picture perfect for my like perfect model.
I feel like we are going for new highs, I would say. In daily, if you just watch daily na, so we have a CRT, clean CRT, but it is about to end, and we have a daily highs, clean highs. So yeah,
Yeah, you are
even
right.
like DXY, we are expecting to go lower. Like you said, JP is so much weaker.
Exactly. So
JP is
even
so
looking
weak.
into this, like yeah, it kind of looks bullish. So as I said that
Mm.
I don't have a strong bias on this one right now. I'll just be looking for a pattern to appear. If that kind of pattern that I just explained, so price takes out high, breaks lower, right? If that happens, I'm gonna look for shorts. If that doesn't happen and price just goes up, I'm just gonna withdraw from my bearish bias. So yeah, this is like what I expect on USD JPY. And now, if we go into, let's say, I'll go into the weekly chart and see if we have anything. Okay, first let me see if we have newses for other pairs apart from the NFP. We have AUD news, a red folder, and a CHF red folder and CAD red folder. So yeah, I'm interested in AUD pairs. So AUD took out this high, and this is the weekly chart. Price is kind of range bound. It took out this high, rejected lower. This is bearish in my opinion, and from my experience. So price, in my opinion, is gonna go lower towards these lows. So I am monitoring this pair. I'll just uh, flag it. so that I can monitor it for the week. And this is the low that I expected to take out. This is for AUD CAD. So far, I have US oil, euro, AUD CAD, and gold for the outlook, right? Let's go into CAD pairs and GBP CAD. This chart, since it took out the external range liquidity, I think it is gonna go for the internal range liquidity, but the internal range liquidity isn't that far from the current price. So if most of the time when I see such things, price just comes like go lower at the opening. But if we, let's say, see something like this at the opening, like on Monday or Tuesday, and then I see a bearish structure after this high is taken out, I'm gonna look for short right here. So I'll red flag this one as well. What do you do when you are in 50-50 malware? I'll just like just
Stay out.
this is like a 50-50 market as well. This AUD JPY for me, even though it's more to the upside, but I'll still say there is a possibility for it to go lower. So in that case, I'll either wait for a specific pattern to appear, or I will, what is it? I'll just let go of it. I won't trade it. So if you are not clear on the chart, it doesn't make sense to trade it. So I'll just leave it. GBP CAD, GBP AUD. Okay, this pair is really clean, and in my opinion, since if you look into it, price takes out the IRL going into the 1 hour chart, price went back into the range, and we can kind of see all this generated liquidity. And now price is at this thing, RDRB, whatever it's called. So let's say price breaks lower first, like manipulates first, and then like closes above this high. I think I'll look for a bias into these highs. Okay, because this thing is really, really clean. So this is also going into my watch list. I took a very clean trade on this last week. I entered somewhere around here after the news, and okay, so it was here in my opinion. Yeah, so I entered here, exited right at the top. Wow, great. So yeah, I'm gonna look for the same thing to happen again. I'm looking for a price to go up. So this is also going into my watch list. Now, Euro CAD, honestly, I'm not looking into this. I'm not looking, there's nothing clear on this one. And this is
Daily is
weaker
clean,
as
I
well.
guess, in Eurocap.
I mean, yeah, like, but there's like no IRL to look for. So
Mm,
that's
right,
why,
right. We have a CRT. If I don't know if you're using it, but just
no,
the
I know.
range price. I wouldn't like glorify CRT.
Yeah,
This just a coin term, but it's
yeah,
just clean
there's
ranges.
just ranges
Forward is
actually.
clean. Yeah, yeah.
Euro JPY, these pairs are just going to the upside. That's just really clear. CAD JPY, this is just bullish. I mean, if I'm looking for bullish prices, like they all look literally the same if we look into it. You can see that how they are all looking the same. If I'm looking for bearish prices and bullish trades, after the opening of the week, I will expect price to drop lower, and then on maybe Tuesday, on Wednesday, the price shows sign of bullishness, I'll look for higher prices. So these pairs, I'm gonna watch them as well. They are really clean to the upside. Last one, I'm gonna go over USD CAD, and it's not clear at all. Like we can see it is in consolidation. We don't know wherever it is gonna go. Also, wait, so we have a case CAD news, but I can't see, I can't develop any bias from this, so I'll just let it go because it's not clear for me. You can see that it is just in this pattern kind of thing, and I just expect nothing. So, yep. So these are all the pairs that I'm going to look for next week. And yeah, that is it. So now if you guys have any questions, you can ask.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so and I have a question for you, Matrix. How do you guys
Yeah, sure.
qualify turtle soups? For me, turtle soups is just an intermediate term high. Like,
Yeah, the formation of intermediate term
yep,
high, the timing like
exactly.
intermediate term high. Right, exactly. I
Yeah,
don't like I don't trade turtle soups, but I look for turtle soups. Turtle soups in the sense it's generally like advanced market structure. No, ICT taught us the way like the formation of short term highs, intermediate term highs, and that is how exactly I look. I just I've never watched a single video of Romeo's, and this is just my understanding that candles are ranges and the formation of ITH is literally the same the turtle soups. I don't trade turtle soups. I don't find this like high probability to trade turtle soups. The same RR you are going to get at any stages of market maker model. It could be like low risk by accumulation entry, reaccumulation entry,
yeah,
and
that's the same.
the same RR you are going to get. Even better RR you will be getting if you are trading low risk buys. You will not be
Exactly.
knowing where to place your stops at turtle soups. Exactly. And that's the thing. You'll be putting it at the previous intermediate term high. And it,
Yeah,
it wouldn't be a better risk to reward. And people showing executions of CRT, sorry, the turtle soups, what they'll be doing is they'll let the price run and once the price takes off, they'll be putting their stop loss to break even, and this is how these people entice you or like lure you into all these mentorships and things. This is just my take. I'm not against any core sellers or something. Core selling is good when you are actually able to execute it.
yeah. Hey, we got Sal in here. How are you, man?
Hey, hey, bro, how are you?
And let's look into this turtle soup, for example. So if I am, let's say, try and trade turtle soup right here, I'm gonna place my limit right here, my sell limit right here, and my stop loss is gonna be here, of course. And this is gonna be my target. So it's just like a very standard 2.6 RR.
Right,
That's what you can
right.
get from a continuation or a market structure shift trade as well.
Mm.
Bro, I'm doing
Like even better
great.
RR you'll be getting, bro. Even
Yeah,
better RR you'll be getting.
yeah, exactly. So it's just that these people glorify it a lot for the sake of
Right, right,
clout,
right.
because they wanna make it look like it's a reversal. So yeah,
Right.
sell, I'm doing
You'll not be
perfectly
able to
fine. Like,
exactly. Yeah, you'll not be able to catch every highs, I would say. Like
yep.
literally every highs and lows you will not be able to catch. But just know that this is a reversal. That's it.
By the way, today I was literally
Yeah.
just gaping. I was literally just gaming. I don't know why. I should have done something better, but it is what it is.
I started like I felt that I was not able to control myself, and I lost my complete patience, I would say, for a couple of weeks now. And I started learning ICT again. I was going I literally started watching 2020 three mentorship again from the scratch. So I thought, okay, that is a good way of developing patience again.
Wow.
It's
So,
good.
when Apex next weekend, next weekend we're gonna play. Cause when we hop on Apex with when I hop on Apex with Sal, it just goes to at least 2 to 3 hours. So I can't do that with university.
Yeah, how was uni, bro? How's your new uni?
It's going great. Like I'm really
Okay,
enjoying it. Much better than the last uni and the last
last
course
one.
that I was
Okay,
taking.
okay. Got girlfriends? Huh?
Nah, like
Okay.
lift weights. Oh yeah, like of course.
I built my PC to just play games, bro. But I really suck at games. I can't even aim properly. Apex, no. I also downloaded and I played. I was not able to get a single kill, bro. These motherfuckers are like so intense gamers, I guess. And even it was my
I'm
first
also a
time.
mid
These
gamer.
people, like I would say, when it's your first game, at least bring in some bots, na. These
Yeah,
people like match like to players, bro. That stuff.
Exactly. It
Even
the
Valorant.
matchmaking is so bad. Well, yeah, Valorant's too. And you haven't seen
Ah,
Warzone. Warzone has the worst matchmaking. Like you're gonna be, but I don't know, matchmaked with some random ass b- high rank
pro
players.
players,
Like
huh?
exactly.
Right. Hey,
What
shut up, bro. You will not stand me against BGMI, okay? You
what is
get your
my
device,
outlook?
it will be it will be a good play. You get your device, mic, okay? Then we'll go for an 1v1.
Did he lose to you?
No, no, I lost him.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not a problem, no. Like I was not. Hey, he is a scrims player, bro. I just play
Oh,
TDMs and normal classic. He Mick is a scrims player, no. He used to be a scrims player.
that that is good. I didn't know that. He plays
Yeah,
scrims, etc.
Anne
Uh,
Murugaya Anne. Like I can see my people.
sir, what is your bro? Uh, it's just bearish for DXY.
Yeah,
So we got all ch gamers in chat. Like, look at the chat. They're
yeah.
asking for
I yes.
1v1s. I think we should
I
someday organize a gaming
right, like
stream.
something. We'll organize something. We'll just get some
Yeah,
good payouts and we'll go for some vacation and maybe we'll organize it every month once and then we'll do it, no?
yeah,
And
that's great.
Sinatra was also a very good player, bro. Last time you had, na, like
Yeah.
he smoked Mick. That motherfucker is so good.
No, it's actually scrims. So scrims are basically like kind of competitive games, like better than the usual. So it's like more, competitive. It's in like PUBG Mobile. Hentai game. Oh my God. We talking about hentais now.
Hentai games. I
Don't
never
let
played,
these
to be
don't
honest.
let these motherfuckers get together.
I've never watched or played hentai, to be honest.
Me neither. Oh my God. I think we really need to organize a gaming stream. Like we all have
Yeah.
to. We all have to organize a
Yeah,
gaming
I
stream.
I guess Mick will get his PC and his iPhone very soon. This motherfucker has smoked some good payouts. He'll have his uh payouts very soon and hope he gets his PC and then we'll have some good tournaments.
Yeah,
I thought of
exactly.
like playing games, bro, but it's not for me, I guess. Like competitive games, no, it's not for me.
Me either. Like for me,
Mm.
I'm a really I'm a really mid-ass gamer. Like I'm
Uh,
not a good player. Like I'm not good at anything. Like just like a mid gamer in every single game I have played. Like PUBG Mobile, I'll say I was like between the mid player and a pro player.
like yeah, it
Yeah,
is a, like kind of an intermediate player.
exactly. And
Uh,
Apex, I'm shit. Sal knows that he carries me in the game. Warzone, I literally went 5 games consecutively without getting a single kills in a
Single
resurgent
kill,
mode.
so bro.
Wow. So
You bro, that's so much, bro. That's so much of
yeah,
it's not for
and
me.
like one game, FIFA, I am kind of
Yeah.
a little bit better than a mid player, I'll say. So
Uh,
FIFA is the game that out of all these games, FIFA is the one that I love the most.
right.
Cell, Cell carried me to 3 wins in one night,
Okay. Right. That's great. I
and play
play
with
with my
my hand.
hand only. Oh, okay. I know what you're talking about, motherfucker. This guy, like, if he comes to Scream Night, it will be like so good. But he is in his house and he's not been able to like join a single stream.
He
Like even my streams also.
yeah, he plays with his hands. Oh my God. We too, bro. Like we love playing with our hands. We went to 4 wins. I thought it was three.
Okay.
He only joins. He joins OnlyFans
I only
streams.
private stream. Okay. Okay.
We know that. We know that.
He has got so much of money and he has don't know like what to do with that money.
You should donate it to drug heads. Show some. I can't show my journal publicly. It's kind of really private.
Yeah, journal should be private. Journal
Yeah,
should be private.
like for journaling, there are tutorials on YouTube. Like
Mm,
watch T-Trades video. I think that will
right.
help you.
If you want, like you can DM me. I'll send you. I'm very much happy to send you my journal. Like it, not my journal, the journal template which I'm used to do. Journal and notes are meant to be private. Yeah, to be
Exactly,
honest, yes.
exactly. But
He has
your
he
journal,
has a huge library of journal.
his journal might be private, but his nudes aren't. I know.
Yeah, I know. I have something.
Okay, let's behave, guys. It's kids watch
Yeah,
our
yeah,
streams, so let's behave.
yeah. I guess.
Yeah. So I think like this is all we have for the markets. Like it's great to always like talk something outside of the markets as well sometimes, because don't be a nerd.
That is what will keep you like carried, no? And
Yeah.
you, if you are completely focused with all these things, you'll not be able to make any progress, I guess. At least for me.
Yeah. My watch list is oil, gold, the same thing we talked last week, remember? So bearish bias on that. Also, GBP AUD to the upside, this thing right here for the upside. GBP CAD to the downside. And measures, you know what I'm expecting. Uh, Nothing else. This is all I have for the watch list. Yes, oil, bro. I told you to oil up, like, or like Mike, just oil up. I'm coming for you.
Oil is so good.
Exactly.
Anna, Vanga, na Vanga. Or Apex is like the eldest guy in our community. Okay, he's like
Oh,
almost 40, and this
oh,
guy like milks Nifty and also the index futures, like US index futures.
wow.
Yeah,
It's great. I had one guy in my Discord as well. He was over 50. He
50.
literally told me
Okay.
I'm at your grandpa's age. I was like I was like, wow, like, I mean, I really appreciate this. Like, imagine having the mental capacity to try to
Um,
learn something
like
like that at
learn
that
some from,
age.
yeah,
Yeah.
younger
So
guys. Yeah.
really, really, really appreciate that. Because
Mm.
if you look into the usual grandpas,
Mhm.
whenever they turn like 35, 40s, they just they just give up. They literally just give up on learning anything. So
Um,
really, really
but
appreciate those who try to learn something at that age.
right,
Dude's blowing pencils.
dude, blowing pencil.
Alright. What
Yeah,
is
having streams
FVG?
now and then, like having streams now and then is like so good actually.
Exactly. What is FVG? Bro, FVG. I mean, I don't know, like maybe explain it.
I too don't know.
FVG is a scam, bro. Like, let me be honest. FVG is a
Mm,
scam. FVG is literally scam. Okay, don't believe on those things. Order blocks, ICT, everything scam. Nothing works. Markets are scam. Okay, these
ICT is
highs
a
and lows.
scammer.
Yeah, everyone's a scammer. These highs and
Yeah,
lows doesn't work. It's just when
yeah.
when you get into a trade, these market makers are looking into your trades and they just reverse it. That's the reason why you are failing. So just don't take it on yourself. What is the thing that must be mentioned? So, in my opinion, in your journals, there should be one thing that should be necessary is why you took the trade. Okay, why you took the trade. This is something that, in my opinion, is the most important thing. Then, like, now in that, you have to write the logic, like where did that logic came from? Then in the execution, why did you executed that trade? These things, this is like really, really important. If you get these things and you study them regularly, right? Like, let's say if you have a losing trade and you journal them all, and when you look into them, you are gonna understand what your mistakes are, right?
And you
So,
can see the like repeated pattern when you are losing. Like what is the pattern you are losing? You will be able to like visualize this when you have like 50 to 100
ex
journal entries, and you literally stop executing trades when you see those kind of patterns which is like occurring again, it is about to occur again. And I would say when you are in a trade also, I would like ask you to journal, like journal your thoughts and things. And I started this from like last week. And also if you're trading a single market, like sorry, I would advise you to trade a single market. If you're just a beginner, just trade a single market, get to know about it in and out, and you'll be able to like know all the reversal spots in like 2 to 3 months when you're spending time with that single pair only. And that will make things so much easier.
yeah, and the one thing that I realized that was like happening over and over again in my losers, like when it wasn't working for me, it was that, price was I was trying to catch reversals, and so when I like literally stopped doing that and tried to trade with the order flow and with the in the continuations, that's when I significantly improved.
Right.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah, exactly. Like, why did Mike change his name? Like, what it was struggle to God or something. Yeah, Zex and
Mm.
struggle to God.
Zach, yeah, first it was struggle to God, and it was Zex, and it was like Mick right now. And
Yes,
also he has changed his charge color to gay. and
exactly.
and with those gay colors, he's like milking markets.
Yeah, so it's simple. Change your chart colors. That's the
Charge
reason to
colors,
grow.
yeah.
Yeah,
People must
that's
people must criticize seeing your chart colors. Only then you will be able to grow. Simple.
exactly. But yeah, on a serious note, chart colors do help. Like, if you
Mm.
have the
They are.
standard red and green, I've read about
Mhm.
it that there is some psychological thing that actually like it puts some impact on your mind because you get like really emotional seeing the red candles actually. It kind of generates emotion. This is something that I studied back when I started trading. So yeah, pink and
See
blue
him
are
na?
good
Pink
color.
and blue.
No, they are not.
Yeah, good.
They don't match at all. Like, shut up. Like, it doesn't make sense. Pick something like this is the most elegant. This is the most elegant color scheme ever.
Yeah, like right, green and black. It is the OG combo.
Exactly. Like, Cell, your chart colors are not good. Mine is better. I'm the goat of chart colors.
Like I use literal ICT chart colors.
And
Literal ICT chart color.
mine are a little different, a little
Yeah,
different.
different. Yeah, the green is like the right side green. Huh? I am using
Yeah.
the left side one, and you have a little bit other scheme which is on the right side of trading use colors, right?
Yep.
And I
Everyone
just
love their
changed my
face and
background
charts.
to white, and it was like gray. ICT was grays, and
Yeah.
like I've changed mine to white.
Nah, Sel, I'm just kidding. Your chart colors are nice, but my one aren't. I'm gonna be honest. I don't like it.
Mm.
But yeah, as he said, everyone love their face and charts. So yeah.
Right? You got it wrong. Got so many people asking mine. I never seen Sal or like I've interacted with Sal. I just would love to maybe.
He he's a very chill
He's of
guy.
our age. Okay,
He's
okay.
he's like no, what's your age?
Uncle,
I don't
don't
know.
say uncle.
No, he's not an
Oh,
uncle.
don't say uncle.
He's
Okay.
young boy. What's your age?
Mine,
Yes,
21.
great. I'm I'm in this August I'm gonna turn 19.
Yeah, this August, na?
Yep.
Right? Right. And also, ZUC seems to have grown up after so much time. He was 18 for very long. He was 18 for very long, and just today he turned 19. I don't know what's happening.
Oh yeah, Zeus MMXM, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
I would say he is my mentor, kind of. He's my mentor. I've been inside TOTK for like a year now,
mm,
and the things I have learned from him are insane. Like he is the best trader, I would say, like in the Twitter space. And then I would say Gene and then Juicy. Like Gene's
mm,
psychology is like so good, and motherfucker only like executes inside his Discord server and only during the news days. So he's also
oh,
very consistent with how he is trading and what he is trading. Yeah, I would say he is the god of forex, and Juicy he's killing future side. I thought I am your mentor, Matrix, bro. You are like, yeah, you literally opened my eyes on something, but you are not my mentor. I would say BC. You're my friend, like a brother.
he might be your mentor, but not in trading. That's what I can say.
Yeah, not in trading, right? He has good speaking skills, bro.
Oh, so his voice is beautiful.
His face and his voice, na, doesn't match. Like his voice is like very sweet, soothing, calming, you can say, and his face doesn't suit, bro.
Yeah, and his DP, that
Yeah,
must be really uncorrelated.
yeah, he's yeah, right. Like kind of uncorrelated ASMR. Yeah, you have
ASMR.
a good voice, bro.
He's just so shy to come on stream. I asked him
Mm,
some time ago, and he told me that his voice
mm.
is his pitch is very high. That's why he can't come. I was like, bro, just chill. Yeah, he's shy. Are you serious? You seriously coming in? He has
Okay,
his
coming. Okay, if you come, I'll do some super chat for Yavar. Huh?
my super chats aren't on, unfortunately.
Oh, yeah, super chats aren't on. Sorry for it.
No worries. Yeah, like how high can it be? Exactly.
Hmm.
He's serious and okay, just give me a minute. I'll just drink water
Yeah,
and
yeah,
I'll
sure,
be
sure,
back.
sure.
Okay, so
Yeah, yeah,
till then you
yeah,
can chat with the guys.
yeah. I'll have a chat. I feel bad for those who are asking questions and we are saying stupid shit. I think nobody's asking questions, bro. If someone is asking, I'm more than happy to explain. But no one is asking. Just our rants. You hop into, bro. Zex, you coming? I'll go. Inky
Okay,
Aurora.
I'm back.
Nice name,
I'm back.
bro. Yeah. GBP NCD is cooking.
But
Bro, you got some
no one's
something.
actually asking some serious questions like,
Asking questions. Yeah.
yeah, GBP NZD. Let me actually take a look into it. Where are the fucking NZD pairs? Well, frick it, I'm just gonna. I think I don't even have it on my list.
NCD start, I used to trade AUD, like NG, JPY. I used to do this AUD JPY trading for so long, since his courses, like I watched it, his course. And also I'm going to college, and that would be a perfect time to trade. I could trade and then go to college, the Asian session. But yeah, later I didn't feel like trading. I then switched to futures completely.
Oh, yes, I can. Yes, I know that. I know that we can do this. But it's just that my muscle memory is just trained that way. I just go with with the mouse.
How's your keyboard, bro? Skylong. Like I was
It's
about to purchase it, but that specific model, no, it is not in India. Like they
oh,
don't give that specific model in India and Amazon.
how to
And also,
try.
I didn't have money, so
Oh,
I just gone with Red Dragon's mechanical keyboard. Right? Zex BC gifted me a mouse as well.
I mean, this is actually great. This keyboard, I really love it.
Keyboard, no?
Especially
Yeah,
it's the aesthetics are so good. Bro,
yeah,
just
right.
text me on Discord. Yeah, Sal, you can come. Y'all can come. Like it's gonna be fun, of course. So,
Yeah.
how do we actually add,
How do we actually?
like, add someone to the call?
I don't. Ah, you have na add friends to DM, I guess. Add friends to DM, search,
Okay,
send
okay,
friend
okay.
request. Yeah, you can see now that plus icon. Huh?
Yes, yes, but okay, I just got it. Wait.
Okay. Maybe if you have a like random server, okay, we will connect it there.
Okay, wait.
Sure.
For some reason, his name isn't appearing in the create DM. Can you try inviting Mike?
Let me try.
Zex is actually
I guess.
coming.
Mick, I can see him, but
I'm actually not friend with him. Can you just when did
I
that
can
happen?
I am friend with Mick, but I guess create DM.
Okay, okay. And Sal also wanna GBP CHF. Yeah, sure, I'll check it.
I am
Sal,
not
you wanna come?
cell, and you can like literally odd like add ABC. Hello. Uh, Hello, how are you?
Fine, fine.
Your voice is like too low.
Finally, voice reveal. I won, guys. Been in air.
You're
Finally.
getting orgasms, bro.
Yes.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, bro.
ASMR, guys.
Mm. Wow. That's such a
I
nice
guess
chat.
someone is. I guess someone is watching the stream as well.
Guys, don't get your pant wet, please.
Okay, bro.
Yeah.
Okay,
ZX
bro.
voice reveal. We got ZX voice reveal before GTA 6.
That's funny.
How
Uh,
are you guys?
okay, this guy is asking me
How was
about
your weekend?
GBP CHF. Let me just actually,
Yeah.
give that analysis. Then we will do our thing. GBP CHF price just went into the IRL, right? Price is bullish as well, but so far the recent order flow is just bearish. So I'll be looking for bullish prices, but only if we have like something like this, right? Only if we have
Oh, we have SMT on highs.
like a market structure shift and like a red on short-term low and then expansion high. SMT at the highs with Euro CHF.
Yes,
Okay, let me
buddy.
check. Let me check.
Oh, you're looking at it, huh, Zex?
No, I just random checked and it already marked there.
Uh-huh. You
Check
busy
the
like
chat. Mhm.
Oh,
Zex on. Zex is such a child, bro.
yes, he is. I
ZX,
can't.
how old are you, man?
from 20.
Nice, nice.
So I'm the kid right
I'm
here.
the boomer. Yeah,
Yeah, I
you're
guess.
our adopted kid.
I'm a kid.
I'm
So
the
I'm
I'm
elder, I guess.
fuck, bro. I'm turning
Okay.
25 really
Oh,
soon.
bro, sorry. Then you're elder.
Nah.
What is your
We have
maximum
Ankit.
time frame? Like if I'm trading based on the daily chart, I'll go into the H1. I'll either execute there, or what's even more better than that is execution on the M5 after price takes out a low on the H1 or high on the H1. So yeah,
You
what
know, I'm just gonna
makes
send this to my Discord. Sorry.
sure sure what makes the MMXM model high probability? In my
Like
opinion,
everything in market is market maker models. Like every
yep,
single price
exactly.
run which is happening is
CRT makes
some
the market maker model more high
shut up,
probability.
bro. Shut up, bro. Shut up.
So basically, it's just like
I give
it's
you the
it's formed
cross
in the
price.
in the
Okay.
retracement phases. So we have this retracement. If I go into a low time frame, it's gonna look like a market maker buy model. If you can see, right? This looks like a market maker buy model. So that's actually what makes it like kind of high probable since it's with the order flow. Because even though still the order flow on the low time frame is bearish, but if we look into the high time frame order flow, it's still bullish, right? So yeah, this is what actually makes it more high probable. But it's everywhere. It's literally everywhere. Every price run is just a market maker buy or sell model. Should we wait
Any
for
benefits of
manipulation?
trading?
Yes, you should wait for a manipulation for entry in kill zones because after in almost every session we first see a manipulation, right? Also, any benefit of trading? Yes, there are some benefits like you can get multiple pairs on the charts like this. Apart from that, you get this replay tool that you can use sometimes. Like I don't use it that much, but sometimes it can be helpful.
It's
Also,
great
you
for
can,
shooting videos, bro.
yes, it's great for
I
like
used to
content
the
creators, I'll say.
content creators.
Yeah.
It's too good.
What kind of videos, bro, are you talking about?
Nothing, bro. Nothing, bro. You can like keep your mouth shut, bro.
Yeah, let's keep it censored. Can you talk about how
Why
to
you
build
bullying me?
strong psychology. Like psychology for me is like, just like it can now be just fixed with some random speeches or whatnot. But I'll just tell you, it's the experience that is going to teach you how to be patient, etc. But I'll just tell you some things to keep in mind after getting into a trade or after losing a trade or winning a trade. Now, when you get into a trade, you should just know that you just don't have to set your expectations to winning. You just have to have this in mind that it can go the other way as well. And if it goes the other way, you just have to uh, take it positively, and you won't actually just start over trading or revenge trading after that. You just lose it, just close the charts, and just come back later after you see
I
your
love this
high
one.
probable model appear again. But the problem with most people is that when they lose, they cannot control their self from taking another trade. So once you control that, and once that happens, that is what actually is your profitability, in my opinion. Go over NQ. Uh, NQ is, we talked about it. You can detail about it, so you can just rewind the stream again. But it's going higher. Bullish order flow into the IRL showed reaction from there, violated this bearish candle. It is set for the all-time highs. I'm in starting, I just confused with voice little sounds like Sriji, but is Farouk. Who is Riji? How to spot manipulation? Give some examples. Should we wait for liquidity? Bro, that's like, a really complex to I mean, not complex, but it's a time-consuming topic. I'll recommend checking out some YouTube videos on it right now because it's gonna be hard for me to talk about it right now since it's not a topic that can be cleared up in like 2, 3 minutes. I just pour water on me. All right.
You,
Done with the
poured
He
what?
made it.
questions.
Bro got wet.
Oh,
First
yeah, bro,
gonna
got
be
wet.
Bro
hard.
got
That
wet.
was
I'm wet.
First,
Yeah.
oh hell no, guys.
okay.
Okay.
Uh, make fix him, na?
Now
Let's put on some good
I'll
music.
handle it. I handle it. I'll handle it.
Okay.
Why did you put water on yourself?
Mistake.
Alright, one sec.
And look at our DPs. Like, look at our Discord DPs. We have all those chats kind of DPs, and in there I have this sweet
His
kind of
like
DP.
mix one is weird, I guess. Huh?
We're the cool boys.
How would you trade in Killzone? Bro, check out my recent thread that I made on Twitter, or check out my YouTube previous videos. It's all
Or buy
explained
my
in there.
or buy my
Uh,
course for $1,000.
yes, it's nah, bro. Like 1,000 is like not at least $5,000. Yeah. So
No, it's
either
like with
take my 5K
discount.
course, either take my 5K course, or check out my YouTube videos, or my Twitter.
OnlyFans also.
Yes, yes, a special time for OnlyFans, like for the members of OnlyFans.
That's also a payment we take.
Yes.
Okay, so you're looking at NAS. Okay. Yeah,
Yes.
yours the framework on your CHF is there, but you can't deny, the momentum is clearly on the downside right now.
Yep.
So it's like something like you don't just want to jump it. The framework is there, but you're not just forcing it just because you have a framework. The entire point is to have a setup, conviction with a framework. So once you see a market maker buy model happen over there, then that's when you look for buys. Because right now your
Exactly.
CHF looks pretty bearish.
Yep. Uh,
Cat pairs also like good. I'm watching EuroCAD and GBP CAD for shorts.
Eurocard. Let me just check
Bro,
that.
look at oil and gold, na? It's like very clean. Zex,
I
I
didn't even do
told
my
you, na?
analysis here.
Right.
Bro, no money to buy gold.
You shut up, bro. I'm not like asking you to buy gold. I'm just going to go like asking you to go short.
I actually
Uh,
didn't do my outlook yet.
so bro is asking, you wait for a short-term high to be. Yes, I do, and not FVG or an MSS. I wait for an MSS and then followed by an ITH or ITL formation. That's how I trade. Bro, I'm confused in high. I'm good in high time frame, but when it comes to lower time frame, I'm confused. Uh, that means that you know low time frame isn't for you, maybe. So just why not just try
Fuck
to
low time frame,
trade
bro.
H1? Yeah, so just why not trade H1 if you think that you are not good with low time frame? Yes, and not in sync. That's another reason. Because the monthly chart, if let's say if I go into Nasdaq, okay, look at the monthly chart. It is clearly bullish, right? Now if I go into the daily chart, we have these, retracements. So imagine we have this retracement right now, and we actually try to long in these retracements. If I go into, let's say, 4-hour chart, and I just continue to long right here, I'll of course get into losing positions, right? If I'm waiting for, like, let's say price took out a low and then showed a layer reaction, let me just go long. So you just have to wait for it to sink. Like here, price was retracing, price made a market structure shift first, like a clear market structure shift right here. Then after that, it took out this low, expanded higher. So this suggests that now both the time frames are in sync, and that's when you can then again look for buys. So you actually have to wait for, like, all the time frames to sync, like at least two time frames to sync. So if you have a daily, if you are trading daily, if you are looking at daily order flow, you want to make sure that the H1 order flow is in sync with that as well. If that's not the case, you are most likely gonna end up losing. That day I made a tweet in which I said that if you are trading on the M1, your M15 must be in the direction of the M1 or trade you are taking. So if the M15 chart is bullish, you have to look for buys on the M1. If the daily chart is bullish and the M15 is bearish, and you see a bullish setup on the M1, that's a no, because these time frames are not syncing, right? So you have to wait for them to sync. That's how you can actually be good with it. A moment of silence. Hello, am I disconnected
Yeah,
or
yeah, 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 yeah.
okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah. Like
okay,
We're
okay,
giving you
just
respect
letting
by
you.
listening.
Yeah.
okay, okay. I thought I'm disconnected or something.
No, no, sir.
No, sir. Well, you really have a clean ass the watch list.
Yep.
Like you have majors, odd. I kind of just throw all of mine in like one place.
I did till I just made it this way like I think 2 weeks
It would
ago.
be easy to go through, I guess.
Yep,
I've
cause
I've
there,
been doing it for so long, and
yeah, all the
let
AUD
me send
pairs
you
right
on.
here. Okay, there's a mistake right here.
Uh, you know, like TradingView has an update where you can go through, like you can have like multiple type of what is that called, like watch list. So I just have like three, four, five together, and then there's like pairs I'm looking at today, like my major pairs. I don't know. I feel like that's faster.
Yeah, like this. Like there's this long
This
shorts
is my
watches.
Yeah.
exotics, and this is my main watch list.
If you
I
bookmark it, I think it'll come there, bro.
Yep, exactly. Like we have like bookmarks as well right here, and then you can like create multiple watch lists as well.
Yeah,
I have
I'm very sad. I'm just trading one single pair.
yeah, you're just fine with NQ. Yeah, that's your bit. Just stay
Yeah,
with it.
You
yeah.
actually trade indices only, like NQ.
Only, bro. Only
He's a
NQ.
futures trader.
I just look
Yeah.
for SMT with ES, and that's it. I'm not even going to trade ES. I'll be just trading NQ. I was
Is
trading
there?
ES
Yeah.
only.
And
I
if
was
you look
trading
into
ES
his
only,
trades,
and I guess it was like 10 to an year back. I shifted to NQ, and until now I have been trading NQ only. Before like 6 months, I have switched to Forex, but yeah, I had hard time there, and I again switched back to futures itself.
and Sal,
Is
if you
there?
look
Thanks to
into
me.
his trades now, if you look into his trades, you're gonna be absolutely shocked with his precision
You
and how
shut
he
up,
marked
bro.
things out. I'm serious, like just take a moment to go into his Twitter videos and
Yeah.
you will find out how precise his trades are. It's
Is this
absolutely
Twitter?
crazy. His Twitter is let me type it up right here.
I'm definitely stalking
Since
that.
like they don't like people don't usually say my username.
Is there like a
It's
reason for
Johnny
just
Sins you.
trading NAS, like just one pair? Do you trade on the higher time frame?
No
Like you
higher
said,
time frame. 1 minute trades. Everything is 1 minute I trade. Like nah, I am typing it right here.
yeah,
RAC.
yeah, I found it, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking at your stuff and
And
I
like
see all the.
It, bro.
I sorry. What BC?
Nothing, you continue.
Look, I was trading every pair like usually you do, and I couldn't like manage tracking every pair, and I was like frustrated and everything. And from start, I was trading crude oil. When I came into this ICT thing, I was trading crude oil, only crude oil options only in Indian market, but it didn't work out for me, and I was searching for another asset class, and that is when 2022 mentorship came in, I guess, and he was trading only index ES only. And from that time I was like also trading ES, and when he switched back to NQ, I too switched back to NQ, and that is how I've been sticking to one pair. And also, if you're trading a single pair, no, I guess you'll get to know about that pair, and identifying smart money reversals is bit easy when you like track a single pair. You can trust that this low or this high which is formed is going to hold, I guess. And
Yeah, makes
that's
sense.
yeah.
Let's take questions again. We want to wait market to come into high time frame PDRA, then we want to go into low time frame, wait for SMT, MSS. Yes, exactly. Now you can pair it up with like short-term highs and intermediate-term highs, and that's gonna make it even more high probable, in my opinion. That's how my model works, so that's just what I'm saying. But yeah, MSS works too, but in my opinion, ITH, etc., they just make it more high probable. Another question, if one model is fit for with one pair, the same model, are you trade with other instrument or not? Before you noticed a little of same model is not proper. Uh, I mean, since like this is my belief, and so far what I have seen in the markets, one model is gonna work for all the markets, except if it's
ICT is the same. Huh?
yes, exactly, and
Basically,
except if it's like time related. For example, in ES and NQ, there is a specific model, the 9:30 a.m. opening model. So that is of course not gonna work in Forex, but the rest of the things, the market structure shifts, the order blocks are the intermediate term highs and lows, they're gonna work the same in every single market. They might have some different, time zones, etc., but it is gonna work the same. So that depends actually. So your question, it doesn't have a single answer. It actually depends. And
Man, I wish I swing traded or JPY.
AUDJ, oh my God, wow.
Yeah, you could have just swinged it in the 4 hour pre gap. It's nice.
AUDJ.
This is like my favorite type of setup, man. Like just seeing a clean sweep like that inside. Like when something is just obviously bullish and you have a sweep like that inside of an internal, and when you close up like that again, it's just pretty like especially on the 4 hour when you close like that, pretty more than likely going for the
And
opposite side. So
this
that's
would
like a
have been
clear
my entry,
management.
like this would have been my entry on it, because that's just my model. Price takes out a short term low, expands higher, enter here,
Yeah,
target these
yeah,
highs. So, but yeah, whatever. So if price actually comes lower, here, and we see like M5 intermediate term low or something, I'm gonna scalp it. Uh,
same.
yeah. So I think this is going
I
to
was
the
looking
watch
for
list.
this trade actually on
Oh,
Friday, but I took in CAD JPY.
Nice.
okay.
oh, this
Good.
was the pair you told you selected a wrong pair, na? This is the thing.
I actually had
Uh,
a
no, that was a different one. I
Bro,
don't
I too have
remember.
the same I too have the same markings in not JPA, bro. I don't know when I guess I did it yesterday.
And even
Literally the
holding
same.
not coin, bro.
Not coin, huh? Like I guess Simple was
Bro, it's
also having
flying.
that. Okay. Nice.
God, I had it.
like I mean our JPY is pretty much easy. Like whether like just kind of like order flow at this point. Like I don't know. I'll just see how it moves
Bro,
and
JPY pairs are just meme coins. Just buy and hold.
Exactly. Exactly. Like,
yeah.
look at this.
2.5 standard deviation, easy. Easy.
Pure meme coin kind of things.
Mhm.
No, I love JPY pairs, but they have just sometime they're just gonna range. But once it's like in a clear like order flow like trend, like this internal external like I've seen like it's my favorite pairs to trade.
I used to trade this
JPY are
RJPA,
the
bro.
pairs, bro.
I used to trade RGB only for a couple of months, I guess, after seeing MMXM's Asian J model, no. And I am from India, and Asian session just opens at around 5:30. So I usually wake up at 5:30, look for trades. I set my trade and just go to college. And during college, I used to manage my trades, but yeah, I didn't work out in the long run, and I stopped FX completely post then.
Yeah.
Such a great thing.
Mike, did you say something? I think you got cut off by accident.
Bro,
Hello?
By
hello,
the way,
hello,
like,
hello.
yes, we can hear. By the way, like, Mike, I'll be honest, your voice is so beautiful. Like, what's even here to actually hide it? Like,
Yeah, what the
why?
fuck?
Seriously,
Bro is
like,
getting orgasm, huh?
yes, I am. So,
Bro is
Okay.
getting wet, bro. Really.
Like
yes.
say like, oh bro, this agenda, this gay agenda is turning everyone. This is influencing everyone. Shit.
Since Mike revealed his voice, now I think we will have him on our stream more often.
Yeah, how do we like spell bro? Mick or Mike? Huh?
Uh, Even I don't know.
He doesn't know. He just kept
That's
something.
a mystery.
He just kept
Mike, how long are
something.
you trading for?
But bro, what?
I said,
Repeat
bro,
it.
like how long are you trading for?
I'm trading from like 3 years, approximately 2 years into forex.
Nice, nice, nice.
I guess everyone started around this COVID time, right? Like this forex and everything.
Bro, COVID changed my life. I
Mm.
don't know if
COVID is a
COVID didn't
blessing.
happen.
Yeah, COVID has been like rewarding to every youngsters, I guess. It's not
COVID fucked me
same
over.
for. Oh, sorry.
Man, I wish I started trading in COVID, bro. That would have been so good.
Yeah, like I used to trade Indian markets before, and but COVID, no, I was not at all like aware of this forex index and everything. Like post COVID, I came to know about it, and I came to know that there is these funding programs that can like give you money to trade, and that is how I ended up with this thing. But before that, it was like purely Indian markets. I was
I
trading
came into
CPR
forex after losing money, bro.
in my the options, na.
Yes.
Mm.
And I got to know that becoming an influencer makes you get accounts.
Yeah.
Guys, so I think I'll end it up because I have to go to school tomorrow. My
Oh
God,
yeah, same here. I'm having my first internship program tomorrow. Like it's getting started from tomorrow.
really happy, man.
Guys, these all guys
Yeah.
are stuck in matrix, bro.
I'm stuck at my yeah. What do
Dr.
I do?
Matrix is
I'm doing it
stuck
for
in
parents.
Matrix.
I'm doing it for parents, bro. 2 more years and I'll be done. I'll be graduated and then it's full time trading. I might also like trade forex from then higher time frames only. Zix taught me H1 model. I'll use that.
How is there only like 10 people here? I don't understand. I thought there would be like
Mm,
Like
more.
they left now because like there were like around
We're talking
20.
about all.
25,
Yeah,
25, 28. We reached 30, I guess.
yep. Uh,
Yeah.
No, I
because
used to have like 70 to 100 people in my streams, bro. Like before,
1700?
yeah,
Damn.
Before
easy
day
70 to
100.
100. Uh, Before day 100. And every shit has happened. But truly,
like
I lost money, bro.
Don't
Like
talk
I
about that.
invested.
and
And I,
my community was so active before, but then remember you guys, yeah, I took like 2 months break from Twitter, if you guys remember, like recently in like January, February. After that, nothing's been clicking at all. Like my
mm,
community's been really dead now. But yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
has happened and it's a lesson, bro.
Yep,
Like Mick knows everything, na? I was going through a lot. Like when that thing happened, I was going through so much. And without this guy, na, I wouldn't have convinced to come back into Twitter. Like I would have completely left Twitter, and it's kind of a lesson for me, huge lesson for me, and
exactly.
that is why I thought I shouldn't be like affiliated with anyone. And yeah, I'm following the same. I'll be following the same. No affiliations, nothing.
That's
Like
great.
literally,
Come on, bro.
Zix convinced me once. Zix literally convinced me once, but no, not anymore.
All right, boys. So I gotta leave,
Yeah.
No, you ain't going nowhere. Where do you think
bro.
you're going
That
now?
that is abuse.
Locks the
Zex is
door.
born.
Locks the
Zex is
door.
born.
Order filled.
That is
Order filled,
abuse.
bro.
Order filled. Order filled. Yeah,
Oh,
that's
we gotta
if you
hear it
trade
more often.
If you trade from trade away, na, it's gonna say like that only. Order filled.
Yes, I've heard that. It was
Yeah.
so
Like
loud, like when I was
you did
first
a
time doing it.
you did a 50K, I guess, na, Apex.
I
You
did
did a 50K
25K
or 25K?
at
25K, yeah.
25K, yeah. So when that voice would literally like start, I
Hit
was
me
like,
hard,
what
bro.
the
Like
hell is
once,
this?
na. Like once I had trade away open and I was executing with trading views. Suddenly a voice come. That was the first time I was hearing this order fill thing, na. It really scared me. I flew from my chair. To be honest, seriously, this happened. Not exaggerating or something. The first time I heard it was like hard, very hard. I've never
Ex
heard that order filled once. It was
exactly,
at
and it's
with
so
my 100
weird.
K, I
It's
How
guess.
much
so
hard,
weird.
bro?
It's so weird, like,
Yeah.
I swear.
Zexes also like trading futures, like he started trading futures from last week.
Oh wow,
Started,
nice.
bro. Crypto futures, everything.
Yeah.
Losing money everywhere.
Uh-huh.
He wanna be an
I taught him.
all-rounder.
I taught him the model, and yeah, bro's
And
killing
I
it
am
already.
taking more good trades than.
BC had a better trade. BC, I had a winning trade, and that's why I didn't take a second trade. That's it. Simple.
And bro made my balance negative.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. To be honest, I was not looking at RG. But I would have taken the shot as well, bro. You reverse na. I would have taken the shot as well if I didn't had that win, that 830 win. I would have also taken the same trade. I would have got SL, but I would have re-entered because like signs of price going lower was very clean. And that this is the problem with futures, bro. You can literally like reverse your trades. That's a problem.
We have any news this week?
Yeah, like this week is so good, bro. Money making week ahead. So much news. Every day there is news. Red folder.
Money losing week actually.
I guess this week I'll run it to payout. I pray to God.
I payout.
Just a
Yeah,
Yeah.
I
smile,
want to
you're
pay.
welcome. Just a smile, you're welcome. And we're gonna do these streams more often, so yeah.
Yeah, we'll do it
Yeah.
every week,
Let
na?
us let us know before, bro, so we can like promote it as well. So like it
Mm,
benefits my followers as well. Because I do like
right.
weekly streams at times, so I'm like, hey, like this will be like more better if we just do this. If
Exactly.
you guys want,
Sure,
like I'll
sure.
host it. If
I'll let you know.
It's like
Saturdays and
yeah,
Sundays I'm staying completely in VCs only.
Great.
Yesterday full day VC and today and next week let's see. We'll also plan this stream.
Yep.
Like we'll also have Sinatra. We'll also have Simple.
Yep. And
Zex
I
could bring
think
in some
I think
people.
we should do some fun kind of streams as well, like some gaming type of
Yeah.
shit. Because
Yeah.
we
yeah.
will,
Oh,
because I think
when
that's really gonna be
you're
fun.
going to Apex, like let me know. I'll also like join. Like you guys carry me.
Sure, like
Yo, do you guys want to play?
we on the weekends we can like play.
Yeah, done. Great. Great. We'll
Let's just
also
play.
stream.
Let's say CS:GO or Valorant. So, because like
Yes,
Apex can you can
Valorant.
only do like 2 people.
Let's go.
Valorant is MF so hard, bro. It requires
Come on,
IQ
I'm
also.
let's
good,
go on CS:GO, man. Valorant's like this noob ass thing. Like, oh, I'm gonna do my
bro.
potion on
I'm
you.
good. I'm good. I'm good in it. Like, please, that's the only game I'm a little good in.
Which
I'm
one?
better than you.
Valorant.
Valorant. Like I, s-
Okay.
I haven't played it from like 1.5 months now, but let's see. But I'm
Okay.
still kind of upgrade good in
Oh
it.
shit, I'm gonna find the old frag videos.
Oh, you're a hard gamer, huh?
Yes,
Gotta
he's
assert
crazy
my
of Apex.
dominance. Gotta assert my dominance.
Ah.
I'm just joking.
Someone is saying VC is full, not fulfilled without VCs.
BC's love for real.
Yeah. Yesterday's VC was like so good. Suman Bro was teaching CRT to the people, and it was very good actually. It was like more psychology than the concept itself. Like Zex and trade opinion or milking uh got funded.
I don't know when they are going to pick me.
Maybe like you just go with the flow, na. If something happens, then you have Apex as your backup. Easy 40K withdrawals, bro. 6 months of work and every month 40K withdrawal. Easy. I'm just planning for the same. I guess I don't leak my energy
I have
outside.
alpha, bro. I have 5% S.
Okay, then. Okay, then.
Low also.
Pullo not gonna pay, bro.
They have to.
They have to. I guess they don't. Like, they haven't processed a single payout yet, no?
Don't know, but I have told them a lot.
They should
Okay.
at least process payouts of the influencers though. Like it's like a scammer would do
Yeah,
that.
at least. Yeah, they
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 could pay
I don't
the
know. Like,
person.
I was not knowing anything about Pullo, but I guess I've not seen a single payout coming from them.
Sal, you were saying something?
I've just seen VCs.
Nah,
Okay, okay. Also, like when I went into Bullo's like website, what I saw
Mm,
was that their website was AI generated. Their graphics,
okay.
everything was AI generated. That's when I was like, no, they can't be serious.
I have a payout with them on
You have a
Tuesday.
payout.
Let's see.
Okay.
On Tuesday.
Bro is asking school. Bro, so school, college, university, they all can be named schools. So in Pakistan and India, a school is just referred to like from nursery to 10th grade. But in the
12th
world,
grade.
yes, school is just, a university can be called school. So yeah, I go to school.
I go to kindergarten. Nursery. That's
So
it.
where are you from actually, bro? I couldn't guess it from your accent. Maybe you guys could guess. You are Indians. Easy. Where are you from, bro? Tell.
Where am I from?
Yeah.
I'm from the same place where Yavar is. We're
Okay,
your neighbors.
Pakistan. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Their accent is so good, I guess. Like, it's not a Pakistani or Indian accent.
No, I'm actually a dual national, so I'm
Okay.
also
Okay,
Canadian.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So I've
So
most
you
of
are
my
in
lives here.
okay. So you are in Canada
Mm.
right now.
No, no, I'm in Pakistan right now with Yavar.
Okay.
I'm staying at his
Okay.
house right now.
He's like,
Oh, same bed?
Same
yes,
bed, bro.
Mm, in bed. Okay.
we are in the
Yeah,
same
where
chair
his
right
That's
now.
why
cousin and
We
that's
Sal.
are
why
we are in the same chair right
Yeah.
now.
that's why he's spilling water, bro. That's why he's spilling water.
When we watch
Aha.
scary
Nice.
movies, of course, we're gonna get scared at night.
Aha.
We
Okay.
are in the
Okay.
same chair right now.
Yeah, sitting on
Same
my.
chair. Okay.
Yes.
I
Bro,
I
what's that position?
I guess there must be some SWAT fight going on. Huh?
That's why he wants to end the call fast.
Okay. Okay. Fair enough.
All right, guys, this time I have to leave. I can't, or otherwise I'll be sleeping in the class tomorrow. So,
Bro, like, I literally sleep in my class, bro. Yeah,
Like
yeah,
you.
yeah.
I
I
have a very
literally
crazy
sleep. I
sleep.
make nose.
I have a
I
very
make
crazy
nose, na.
sleep kind of thing. Like, bro, like
Uh,
if I sleep a little later, I can't wake up in the morning. Like the alarm will
Guilty.
be ringing right near my ears, and I won't be able to wake up
okay.
with it. So I just
Okay.
have a really, really crazy kind of sleep thing.
You
It's
have your
really
cousin,
weird.
na. Like, ask him, wake you up, huh?
Like my cousin, he wakes me up, but it's hard for me to wake up, like really, really hard.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Okay, so thank you all. Thank you to everyone for joining the stream. Really, really
Mm.
appreciate y'all. Also, very thankful to Mike and Sal and Matrix for joining the stream. It turned the
Voice
stream
reveal.
No
into a
such
really
formalities,
wonderful thing.
bro. No such formalities, bro. We'll continue
But
the
yeah,
same
still,
next week.
Just
That's
I'm
it.
you
sending
just
my
made it really
university address.
amazing.
Just send there.
No formalities. Just send some money. Huh? Next. These
Uh,
people will like. Yeah. Okay. Fine.
how are you in Islam? I'm near. I'm in Pindi actually. So yeah. But yeah. So once again, thank you all for joining. I really appreciate you all for staying till now. And we are
Well,
gonna
thanks
come
for
up with
having
this
us.
stream next week as well. So yep.
Thanks for
Uh,
Yeah.
having us, bro.
Yeah,
yes,
thanks
you're
for having
welcome.
us. Formalities. Yeah,
Y'all are
thank you
welcome.
for having us.
Y'all are welcome. So
Yeah,
bye
we'll
everyone and
continue
have a
this
great
every
time.
Sunday maybe. Bye, 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 bye.
Yep. Have a good
Bye,
trading
guys.
week as well.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Make bye,
You
BC.
too.
Bye, BCs.
Bye. Have a good week.
Have a good week,
Thank you.
guys. Have a profitable week ahead. Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah. Later, Pookies.